Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how we can easily sell and withdraw money on Coinbase. So let's start. So there are actually two ways how we can do it. The first way is go to top right when you're going to be on Coinbase account and click sell. Now when you're going to click sell, you can sell Bitcoin, or you can simply choose which coin you want to sell. And let's say that I want to sell Bitcoin, and then you can like deposit to your wallet, and then you can withdraw it. So first we are going to sell it, see all, and now we can see euro wallet, price, sale, Coinbase fee, €2, total payout. But also, if you're gonna watch this video whole, I will show you how we can get a lower Coinbase fee. So I'm not going to sell it right now because I'm going to show you the easy way. Now, what you can do is to go to top right on your account, click settings, and add a payment method right here. And you can simply add a payment method to which you want to withdraw money. Let's say that you want to add a PayPal or your bank account or credit debit card. Then when you would sell it, and when we are going to sell our Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, you're going to see an assets, and you're going to see your currency right here as a balance. And now you can withdraw it, let's say €100. On the right side, I'm going to click withdraw. And here, insta withdraw to my bank account as a credit card, or to bank account, 0.15 fee. So the fee is really low on my standard withdrawal, and I would recommend doing that, or the instant withdrawal, completely up to you. And when you got it, let's go further. So what you can do is this: go to Coinbase Pro. Don't go to, I will just log in here. Don't sell it through Coinbase. You want to sell it through Coinbase Pro, and do this. It's going to be perfect. So let's say that I want to sell Bitcoin. And now, as you can see, if I'm going to sell Bitcoin of €100, that's going to be like €35. It's 18 cents. That was value that we wanted to sell right now. Look at this. When I'm going to sell the Bitcoin, that's €38. That's €2 fee here. And right now, it's 11 cents in Bitcoin. But what you need to do is to deposit. And you can deposit Bitcoin from Coinbase.com. And you can simply, as you can see, deposit from Coinbase.com your Bitcoin. When you're gonna deposit, it's not fee at all, unlimited, how many Bitcoins you can transfer from Coinbase.com to Coinbase Pro. And then what you're gonna do is go a month and sell it. And then you want to simply withdraw the money that you're gonna sell it for. And you can withdraw it to Coinbase.com, and then from Coinbase.com, you can withdraw it to your account, or you can directly withdraw it from Coinbase Pro as a SEPA transfer. So these are the two ways how you can actually do it. It's pretty perfect and pretty easy. So this is the best way how we can sell cryptocurrencies, and how we can actually manage to do that. Because plenty of people, what they're doing is they're actually selling it through Coinbase.com and not pro Coinbase, and then they're going to lose a lot of money on fees. Because imagine this: I'm going to sell €1,000, and that's like what was if I would buy it, that would be fee of €38. Just imagine that. Here, if I'm going to buy on BTC Euro, see, pretty cheap, right? €1,000 of buying is going to pay only €5, comparing to Coinbase Pro, that's much more. So what do you want to do? This, I'm going to paint it out again. You don't want to sell through Coinbase.com. You want to transfer the funds to Coinbase Pro as deposit, Bitcoin from Coinbase.com. You will deposit to Pro, then you sell with lower fees. So we deposit our Coinbase Bitcoin, then we're gonna sell like 0. Or even like 1 Bitcoin. That's a lot, but so let's go with 65 euro or see right here, 1 Bitcoin 16 cents. You place a sell order, then you're gonna sell it, and low fees. Low fees. And what will happen then? Then you want to do this. You can withdraw it directly from the Coinbase account. So you will sell it for the euro for your currency. Click on the euro. You can withdraw it from SEPA transfer directly from Pro Coinbase. And you have your bank here. And the fee is 0.15, as same as in Coinbase. So you can do it SEPA right there. Or what you can do is to transfer the money back to the Coinbase.com. Let's say maximum 100 euro. Or just transfer it. Coinbase. And then what? Then you can do simple thing, and that's that you can withdraw it from Coinbase on portfolio. Click on your currency right here. And then go withdraw 100 euro. Continue. And you can withdraw it to your bank account or your debit card. That's completely up to you. Or you can go to the top right, click settings, go to the payment methods, add a payment method, and you can add a PayPal here. So these are the two ways how we can actually do it. So add a PayPal or credit card. If you want to have the money straight away, I would recommend going with credit card, right? But there is going to be a fee, like 2 euro here. So again, to summarize this whole video, do it this way and you will be well off and you don't have to worry about anything. And this is how you can simply sell and withdraw money from Coinbase. Thank you very much, guys, everybody, for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah. Goodbye.